Welcome to Guide to Write channel. In this video, I will show you how to create highlights on your Instagram. So, Instagram story highlights are a powerful feature that allows businesses and individuals to showcase their best stories on their profile. In this comprehensive video, I will show you how to make the highlights on your Instagram profile. So it's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram app. From here, you can go to your profile. As you can see in here, there's no highlights on my profile, and now I want to create it. It's very simple, so you can just choose the stories that you want to add to your highlights. So you can go to the archive, tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can choose on archive. Now you can choose on the stories that you want to add to your highlight. Maybe for example, I would choose this one. And you'll find there is some option on the bottom of your screen, highlights. You can just tap on that. Now, new highlights. You can create name. You can enter name for your highlight. For example, we'll name it like this. Now you can just tap on add. Now you can choose another stories from your archive to add to your highlight. This one. You can just tap on highlights. You can add to your recent highlights, or if you want to create another highlight, you can just tap on the plus icon here. I will just choose on my recent highlights. You can tap on these. Now let's check on my profile. So here's the highlight. I have one highlight on my Instagram profile. If you want to create a new one, you can just tap on plus icon in here. You can choose on the stories, the stories from your archive. Or maybe if you create new stories on your Instagram, maybe you'll capture picture like this and you post it. You can post to your story like this. If you open it, you can open the story, your recent story. You can add the story to your highlight. Wait, it's still loading. So if you tap on the three dots over here, you can choose on I highlight. Choose on the highlight that you want to add the stories. So now you have add that story to your highlight. If you want to change your highlights name, you can just tap and hold on the highlights, choose on edit highlights. From here, you can change your highlight name, and also you can change the cover of your Instagram highlights. It's very simple, right? So that is how to make highlights on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about Guide You Right channel. Thank you and see you.